Hey, how you doing, Robert? Thanks for letting me do this video for you. I'm going to cover a few things today about your business, RCF Commercial Cleaning. I'm going to compare your business against your competition, and I'm going to give you a few tips on how to increase your sales in your area using your website, using Google, using your Google Maps, how to improve your Google Maps profile, something that I noticed there, and I would like to help you out with that. And also, I would like to introduce you to social media advertising. Just let me know if you have any questions. I'm going to try to make this video quick, but if you have any questions, just reply to my message in LinkedIn, and let's have a chat. So I could help you even answer your questions and go over more details if you're interested. And I know you will not get a screencast like this one that I'm doing right now from any company in the US. So just bear with me and let's go over your company. So I'm in your LinkedIn profile right now. I'm going to your website. It's a very nice website. The things that I notice here, you only have a few content here. That could be because of your theme, the way it's set up, but more content will definitely help you big time when it comes to Google rankings. Um, on the services tab, I would like to point out a few things. Like I said before, just like in the previous homepage, more content if it's possible. I could help you with that. And also, if you look at the top, right here, I'm in the top right here. This tab, you definitely need to more keywords based on the tab that we're reading. So office cleaning, more keywords up here will help you for each of the keywords that people search in Google, and I'm going to explain you why in a minute. But definitely more content, but very nice website. You did a good job using this theme. It's very nice. You have the contact buttons here, contact form, and all that good stuff. So no problems, no issues so far when it comes to your website. Now, when it comes to Google, this is um, the ad section. People using AdWords. It looks like you are not running any AdWords, and I didn't see any ads on your side. I did a best commercial cleaning service in Boise. You're not running any ads, and you don't have any ads at the bottom. We do AdWord management, just in case you're looking for a company like that. Right now, this is the map section. As you can see, you're not in the top three, but I'm going to click in more places. That will give people the option to find more commercial cleaning services. So your company, remember, when it comes to best commercial cleaning service in Boise, I'm gonna look for your company right here. Just bear with me. See if we can find it. There are different 8 tabs. You're not in the first one. After 3 tabs, people will just not gonna call. Be honest with you. So I'm gonna look the first 3 just to save some time. Like I said, just feel free. We could do a screencast, a live screencast, a Skype call, and I could go over any details that you have in mind. And I could do free consulting for your business. You're not in the first 3. Remember, just for this best commercial cleaning. I'm gonna go back to the home page when it comes to Google. And this is the organic section. Remember, you're not in the map section. First 3 with the best commercial cleaning service in Boise. And this is the first page. This is the organic. This is where you really want to be. And right now, your website is not on page 1. It's not on the AdWords, and it's not on page 2. And the same thing with the map section. If they don't see you in the first 2 or 3 pages, you're not gonna get a call. You're not gonna get sales. So this is the 3rd page, and you're not there. So now let's look another different keyword: commercial cleanup service. I know you do commercial cleanups or construction cleanups, and this is the so let's see how you're doing with that keyword. You're not in the map section. Let's click on more places. Let's keep looking the first three. There you are right here. Now, when it comes to your profile, at least on this keyword, you are in the map section on the first page out of 2. But here you have 6 Google reviews, 3 stars. So you need to improve the quality of reviews from your customers, and I can help you with the with that. Basically, setting up an automation when it comes to reviews. You do a job. I have a system that just will help you get the reviews on the spot. Happy, the customer is happy. You ask for the review. I'll make a link so your customer, I mean your employees or your supervisor or whoever's in charge of that section of getting reviews, just make the customer click on a link or a simple text message will take the customer straight to this page to leave a review. You definitely need to work on this and improve your reviews like immediately, because this competition is getting 56 is 4.6. They have, look at this one, 582 reviews, all 4.9. You see, I know you see the importance of getting these reviews higher, because I will definitely call a different company with better reviews than the three, just a 3 star. And just to give you an idea, I'm not complaining or giving you bad review. So I'm just pointing this out for you. So definitely work on your 3 star, um, and you will see a big increase in sales. So now looking for different keywords, construction cleanup. I know that's a service that you do right here, construction cleanup. Now when it comes to that keyword, construction cleanup, you are, let me see where you are at when it comes to Google Maps. So you're not there ranked on Google Maps. Let's look at the organic section. So you're not on page 1, and you're not ranking for that keyword. And I know construction is a big there's big money on there on that keyword. So you're not ranked. You're not even in the first 3. I could help you that getting these keywords ranked in Google. Construction, every single one. I mean construction. This just freeze on me. The office cleanup, construction, hard floor, window cleaning, carpet cleaning, all those keywords, I could help you rank in Google for every single keyword. Now, when I copy and pasted your domain in this software tool that we use to track how good your website is doing, you don't have any trust flow. You don't have any links pointing to your site, and that's what is killing you. That's why you're not on page 1 when it comes to this keyword. You're not on page 1 or page 2 or page 3 when it comes to this, also this keyword as well, and this keyword. So this will help you definitely point more links to your website, and that's what we do. We are professionals doing that. Now let me show you what we do when it comes to social media. Let's say you don't want to do any SEO, all this stuff that I just explained to you. You just want to use social media to get more customers. I will need access to your fan page, and I will use Facebook to create an ad like this one. For example, let's say in Boise, hey Boise, do you need carpet clean? But had the idea of waiting hours for your carpet to dry and so on. So we create an ad on Facebook using your fan page. And then when people try to get this 50% off dry cleaning, carpet cleaning, commercial, any way that you prefer to do, if you want to go to the commercial side, um, when they click on it, it will take them to a landing page. The landing page will look something similar to this one. We will use your logo. When people add their name, email, and phone number, we could add the phone number. It will take them to a page, like a thank you page, and say, hey, here's your 50% off. Please call now. Only 8 available. Coupons, only 8 available. You better call now. At the same time, when people leave their name, email, and phone number, I will send you that information to your sales team. So your sales team must contact these people like right away. So I highly suggest you do have a sales team to follow up and be on top of these leads if you want to like really increase your sales using social media marketing. If you don't have a good sales team, I highly recommend you don't waste your money when it comes to social media marketing. So, and I could help you set it up. I could help you. I know how to do this type of marketing. We know how to do social media. We are experts doing social media, and the same thing with SEO, ranking in Google. So you have all these marketing in one place with us. RRG Digital Marketing. And I don't want to keep doing, keep running this video too long, but I think I covered plenty, and I just laid out an entire plan for you. I covered how to rank your website with different keywords. I just show you where you're at right now, how to improve your profile when it comes to just the 3 stars that you have. We take care of that too. Social media marketing. Now it's up to you to ask me any questions for free. My time is free for you, no cost. Free consulting for a week if you take action. My name is Ricardo Figueroa. My phone number is 253-312-6017. You have my contact info in my LinkedIn profile. And thank you for your time. Sorry for the long video, but I'm sure it was worth it. So you can learn where your business at and how to take it to a different level. Especially if you are currently paying someone for your marketing, let me tell you, they're not doing a good job. So take care for now and see you until the next one.